Good afternoon, girls. How are you all? I hope that you are all fine. Today we will start a new lesson. So please bring your books and open it on page 145. Bring your books. And open your books on page 145. Now we will talk about, today we will talk about multiply by tens number. And I will use different strategies to multiply number by tens number. So let's start with the first exercise and let's see in which strategy I will find my answer. So on this page, this is page 145. The first exercise is 30 multiply 20. I have many strategies. I can follow those strategies to find the answer for this multiplication. The first one I will use it is place value. So in this exercise I will use place value strategy to find the answer. 30 multiply 20. Now how I will how I will find this answer? Look, if I want multiply 30 with 20, I will write the value of this number. This is a 20. That means the value of this number is 2 tenths, right? According to the tenth digit, I have 2 in tenth digit. That means the number in the tenth digit is 2. That means the value of this number is 2 tenths. Okay? 2 tenths. So now can I multiply 30 with 2? Very easy, I think, right? Focus with me, please, girls. Where is the others? Kenzie. Okay, they are late, but the session is started. Okay, girls, just I want you to type 1 in the chat to know who is attending with me today. Okay. I think there is a late students. There is a late. They are late. Okay. So, no, you don't have science before math. You have a break before math, I think. Right? You have a break. So let's return and I will repeat again. If I want to multiply 2 tenths number, there is many strategies I can follow here to multiply the numbers. The first strategy is place value. Okay? The first strategy is place value. So I will write the value of the number according to the digits. So here I have 2 in tenths digits. That means the value of the number is 2 tenths. According to 20 here, the value of the number is 2 tenths. It's easy for me to multiply 30 with 2 than 30 with 20. So 30 multiply 2. Look, you can multiply 3 with 2 and put 0 next to the answer. 3 multiply 2 equals 6. And put 0 next to the answer, so it will be 60. But 60 what? 60 tenths. Okay? So 60 tenths, if I want to write it in a standard form, 60 tenths, I have to multiply the number with 10. Multiply 60 with 10, so it will be what? Put 6 multiply 1 equals 6. Put 2 zeros next to the answer, so it will be 600. This is the first strategy, which is the place value. Okay, so if I want to multiply any number or 2/10 number, I will write the value of the number, which is here tenths, because I have tenths number. So 20, it will be 2/10. Okay. Now, the second, please stop typing on the chat and focus with me. No, now the second way, the second strategy is associative property. We talk about associative property, right? We talk about associative property, and I told you in associative property, if I have 3 numbers multiplied by each other and 2 numbers between parentheses, okay, 2 numbers between parentheses, so like 30 multiply 20, 30 multiply 20. Look, I will break down 20 into 2 multiply 10. 2 multiply 10. Look, if you multiply 2 with 10, it will be 20, right? So I will break down this number into 2 multiply 10. Why I will do that? To make the multiplication easier for me, okay? Write with me on this page, please. 145, okay? Write with me on this page. So, I will break down 20 into 2 multiply 10 to make the multiplication easier for me. So, I will take this number and break down into 2 multiply 10 and put it between parentheses, okay? After that, I will use associative property. Associative property told me if I have 3 numbers multiplied by each other and 2 of these 2 numbers between parentheses, I can take the parentheses and move it into another 2 numbers from those 3 numbers. So I will take those parentheses that around 2 multiply 10 and put it around 30 multiply 2. We name it associative property. Why I will do that? Because I want to multiply 30 with 2 first. 30 with 2. So if you do this property, then you will multiply the numbers between parentheses. So 30 multiply 2, I will multiply 3 with 2. It will be what? 3 multiply 2, it equals 6. And put 1 0 next to the answer, so it will be 60. So the answer for this parenthesis is 60. And then I will multiply this number with 10. Now, 60 multiply 10, very easy I think, because 6 multiply 1 equals 6. And put 2 zeros next to the answer, so the number will be what? Thank you, Rimas. Excellent. It will be 600. Thank you, Bisan. Thank you, Zain. So, I will use associative property here to help me to find the answer for this multiplication. So, I have here I have two ways here to find the answer for this multiplication. Okay? So, first thing I have place value. I will write the value of one of those tenth number and multiplied by the other number, then I will return to write the number in the standard form. Or I can use associative probability, so I will break down one of those tenth number into two numbers multiplied with two numbers and put it between parentheses. Then I will use associative probability to take those parentheses and put it around those two numbers, 30 multiplied 2. So I will find the answer for this multiplication, and it's easy for me. 30 multiplied 2 equals 60, as we learned. Then I will multiply 60 with 10, so the answer will be 600. Now let's move to another way. You finish this page, please. If you finish type 1 just one time. If you finish, thank you, girls. Okay, I think all of you finish. So let's move to the second exercise or the second page. Girls, you are late today. You are late. Why you are late? So let's now move to page 146. Okay? Now, in this page also, I will use two another ways to find the answer for this multiplication. Now, here I want to multiply 15 with 20. So I will use the number line. And remember, we used number line before to multiply number with tenth number. So how I will find the answer? Look, I will draw this number line. I will draw this number line. And if I want to multiply 15 with 2, number line is already drawn in your book, right? And if I want to multiply 15 with 2 as an example, 15 multiply 2, how I will do that on number line, this multiplication on number line? You know that I will here jump on number line 2 steps. I will jump on number line 2 steps. This is 2, from 0 to 2. I will jump 2 steps and I will repeat this jump 15 times. So I will repeat this jump 15 times. That's mean I will jump. This is the first one. This is the second one. This is the third one. This is the fourth one. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8, number 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, now 15. So I jumped 15 jump on the number line, and each one will be 2. Each one will have 2 parts. So the final answer will be what? On number line, or according to number line, the final answer I will lie on point here on number 30. So the final answer is 30. Girls, please stop typing on the chat. Please stop typing on the chat. And if you have a question only or you want to share with me. Which picture, Kayan? I can't understand your question. So, I jumped here on number line 2 steps and repeated what? Repeated 15 times. 1. This is 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that's mean, according to the number line, I lied, I stopped here after 15 jump. I stopped here on number 30. So that's mean this is the answer for this multiplication. It will be 30. Now, if I want to find the answer for 15 multiply 20. 15 multiply 20. So I have to jump here not 2 steps or 2. I have to jump here 20 steps. In each jump, I have to jump 20 from 0, count 20, after 20, 40, add 20. So in each space, I have 20, not 2. Okay? So each piece here is 20 or equal 20. So if you have here 0, add 20, it will be 20. Add 20 to 20, it will be 40. Add 20 to 40, it will be 60. Okay, after that. So in each space, I will add 20 and find the number or the point here on number line. I will repeat this also, what? 15 times. I will repeat this 15 times. I will repeat this jump 15 times. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I will stop right here on this point. Okay, so I jumped 15 times and each jump equals 20 because I have to multiply with 20. This is the tens number. So if you add 20 15 times, the number will be what? The number will be 300. So this is the answer for this multiplication. 300. Okay? So this is how I will find the multiplication by using number line. Any question, girls? Because we will move to the mental math. What's your question, Ariam? Okay. Okay, I will repeat again, girls. Lana said, please repeat. Okay, I will repeat this again. Okay. Focus with me. Please focus with me, not on the chat. Okay? Girls, please focus with me, not on the chat. So, how I will find the answer on number line? I have 15 multiplied 20. This is the tens number, 20. How I will find the answer? According to the number line. I will use this strategy. So I will repeat. I will draw first the number line. And we will start from the 0. Each step will be 20. The number or the tens number. Girls, please stop typing. Dana, stop typing in Arabic, please. Please focus with me. Okay? So I want to jump. Each jump will be 20. Okay? So I have to repeat and add 20. How many times I have to do it? 15 times. So first thing, I will start from the 0. It will be 20. After that, thank you, girls. It will be 20. After that, I will add 20 to the 20. It will be 40. Add 20 one more time. It will be 60. Add 20 to 60. It will be 80. Add 20 to 80. It will be 100. So you have to repeat this 20. How many times? I have to repeat 15 times. After repeating this 15 times, I will stop on this point. If you want to find the answer will be 300. So this is the answer for this multiplication. Okay? Now, okay, girls, now we will move to the next strategy, or the final strategy in this lesson, which is mental math. And I know that you like mental math so much, right? Okay, you like mental math, right? So let's find the answer by using mental math. Actually, I like this strategy, and I will solve the not all exercises, but a lot of exercises by using mental math. Okay? So how I will find the multiplication between 14 and 30 by using mental math. Okay? This is the last strategy, or the fourth strategy here. How I will find this? Look, you know that if you want to multiply 30 with 14, it will be hard for me. Because look, 14 here consists of 2 digits. Okay? So if I want to multiply 13 with 14, it will be hard for me. You remember when I told you, if you multiply like 30, multiply 5. The answer will be what? Who will give me the answer for this? Who will give me the answer? Please stop typing on the chat. This is the last time I will say. Okay? Please, girls, focus with me. The lesson is very important for you. So, if I want to multiply 30 with 5, the answer will be what? What is the answer? I told you. Thank you, Duha. Excellent. Thank you, Zain. Excellent. The answer will be what? As the girls said, thank you, Lana. I have to multiply 3 with 5. So it will be what? 3 multiply 5 equals 15. And put 0 next to the answer, so it will be 150. This is the answer. So it's easy for me if I want to multiply the tens number by 1-digit number. But what if I want to multiply the tens number by 2 digits number? 2 digits. So what I have to do here, I will make this number 1-digit number. How I will do that? I will do that by taking or dividing this number into 2 parts, or 2 equal parts. How I will do that? By dividing the 14 on or by 2. Okay? Okay, so 14 divided 2 equals what? Equals 7. Okay? Now I will take the half. The half here. Half 14 equals 7. Half 14 equals 7. Okay? So now 7 multiply 30. Can I multiply 1-digit number with a tens number? It's easy for me. So 7 multiply 30 equals what? I will multiply 7 with 3 and put 1 0 next to the answer. So 7 multiply 3 equals what? Who will tell me? Thank you, Zain. Excellent. So thank you, Lana. Thank you, Aryam and Rimas. So it will be what? 21. 7 multiply 3 equals 21. And I will take this 0 and put it next to the answer. So it will be 210. This is the answer for multiplication between 7 and 30. Now, because I take the half of 14. Look, I take the half of 14. So I break down this number into what? If you divide 14 on 2 person, each one will take 7, right? So I take this 7 and multiply it with 30, and it will give me, it gave me here 210. Now, if I want to return here, I will double the number. Double the number means I have to multiply it with 2. So if you multiply it with 2, it will give you the final answer. That's mean I will multiply 21 with 2 and put 1 0 next to the answer. So it will be, thank you girls, if you multiply 21 with 2, it will be what? 2 multiply 1 equals 2. 2 multiply 2 equals 4, as we learned in multiplication. So it will be 42. And put 1 0 next to the answer. This 0, I will take it and put it next to the answer. So it will be 420. Okay? So this is if I want to use mental math. I have to make the 2-digit number, 1-digit number, by take the half. Half means I have to divide the number on 2. After find the answer of this multiplication, I will double the number. Double the number means I have to multiply the number with 2. And half the number means I have to divide the number on 2. Okay? I will apply those strategies now, and we will move. I think you finished, girls, right? You finished this. Okay, Kayan, we will repeat now on an exercise. Ghina, stop typing on the chat by in Arabic, please. Stop typing in Arabic and focus on the lesson. Now we will solve this exercise. Look, I want to find the answer by using mental math. So please, okay, girls who asked me to repeat, now we will repeat in another example. I will repeat in this example the same steps. Girls, I will repeat now the mental math strategies. I want to multiply 12 with 40. Okay, so it's not easy for me to multiply 2-digit number with 1-digit number. What should I do here? So I have to take or break down the 12 into 2 parts. So that's mean I will take the half of this number. Okay, what is the half of 12? Half 12, I have to divide this number on 6, or sorry, on 2, I'm sorry. 12 divided 2 equals what? 12 divided 2 equals 6. So I will take half 12, and this half I will multiply it with the 10th number, which is 40 here. So now I will take the 6 and multiply it with the 10th number. Okay? So now 6 multiply 40 equals what? 6 multiply 4 equals what? Thank you. Equals 24. Excellent, Lama. 6 multiply 4 equals 24. And put 1 0 next to the answer, so it will be 240. Thank you, girls. So after multiply the numbers, I will double this number. Double means what? Means I have to multiply the answer with 2. So I will double the answer. That's mean I will multiply this number with 2. It will be what? Excellent, Lana. Thank you, Dana. It will be what? 2 multiply 24 and put 0 next to the answer. 2, I will do it like this if you want to understand how to find the answer for this multiplication. 2 multiply 4 equals 8. 2 multiply 2 equals 4. So the answer for this multiplication, it will be 48. and put 0 next to the answer, so it will be 480. This is the answer by using mental math. So in mental math, first I will take the half, then I will multiply. After that, at last, I have to double the answer. Now, I will use place value strategy to find the answer. Some girls was late, and we will repeat the place value now. So focus with me, please. Now, if I want to find the answer by using mental math, what I have to do? I have to write the number or the tens number according to the value of this number. That's mean 12 multiply 40. 12 multiply 40 equals what? Now, what is the value of the tens number? 40 means 4 tenths. 4 tenths. That's mean I will write this number as 12 multiply 4 tenths. And I love this strategy actually. So I will write the number by using place value. I will find the answer for this multiplication by using the place value and write the value of the tens number. So 12 multiply 4 tenths. Now 12 multiply 4, it's very easy for me, right? So I can multiply 12 with 4 by using regrouping. Let's find the answer. 4 multiply 2 equals 8. 4 multiply 1 equals 4. So the answer for this multiplication, it will be 48 what? 48 tenths, right? 48 tenths. Now, if I want to write the number in standard form, this is a tenths number. This is the tenths number. If I want to write it in standard form, I have to multiply it by what? By 10. So, 48 tenths, if you multiply it by 10, it will be 408. Okay? The same answer, but in different strategy. Okay, girls? Now, let's here find the answer for this exercise. Exercise number 1 on the same page. And I want to multiply 20 with 27. And you have to use a strategy. Which method you choose? Find the answer for 20 multiply 27. Tell which method you choose. Explain what happens in each step. So here I will use or I will choose a method. So which method you prefer? Please, you can type on the chat which method you want to use. Place value or mental math, or you want to use number line, or you want to use associative probability. Which method you prefer? You can tell me on the chat. I prefer here to use the place value. I prefer this. You can do mental math then. You can find the answer by using number line, Lana. So I will use here the place value in this step. So if I want to multiply 27 with 20, I will write this number. I will write this number as according to the value of the number. This is a tenths number. So if I want to write it according to the value, it will be 2 tenths. It will be 2 tenths. Now, can I multiply 2 with 27? Very easy for me. If I do it as we learned in regrouping, 2 multiply 7 equals what? 2 multiply 7 equals 14. Thank you. So I will put 4 here and 1 above the tens, as we learned in regrouping. 2 multiply 2 equals 4, plus 1 equals 5. So the answer for this multiplication, it will be 54 tenths, right? 54 tenths. Okay? Now if I want to write the number in standard form, I have to multiply this number with 10. Okay? So if you multiply this number with 10, it will be 540. Okay? So this is the final answer. If I want to do it by using mental math, what should I do here? What should I do? Who will tell me? First thing, what should I do? In the first step, I have to take the half of 27. Then I will multiply with tens number. At last I have to double the answer. But it will be hard for you. The easiest way is to use place value. Okay, girls? The easiest way is place value. So